Hello everyone, welcome to Login Giants. In this video, we'll learn how to use BlueStacks on PC and laptop. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. For those who are wondering what BlueStacks is an Android emulator that allows you to run Android applications on your PC or laptop. And to use it, first you need to download the BlueStacks software from official website. For that, go to BlueStacks website and follow the on-screen instruction to install the software. Well, it might take a few minutes for the software to get downloaded, so wait for a while. Once the software is installed, launch BlueStacks from your desktop or your laptop. On the home screen of BlueStacks, you'll see various Android apps that are pre-installed. You can click on any of these apps to open and use them on your PC or laptop. And if you want to install new apps, you can use the Google Play Store within BlueStacks to download and install them. Simply click on the Play Store app on the home screen and sign into your Google account. That's it. With BlueStacks, you can now run Android apps on your PC or laptop. We hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.